Guys, I will show you in this video a trick by which you can use all the premium AI models, including Claude, Gemini, GPT, Deepseek, Kimi K2, all the AI models which are premium and require subscription. So this is actually a website that you can access. It's completely free and unlimited. It's an open source website. If you directly write this Arena AI, the very first website which comes, so it's a non-profit website where they actually give access to all the AI models for completely free, and it's for lifetime. I'm using it for past 3 years. When the website was called as LM Arena, now it's called as arena.ai. If you directly go to this, it has now added various modes. You can compare two anonymous models. You also have agent mode for complex tasks, side by side comparison, or directly chat with one model at a time. Just one restriction is there. You simply log in with your Google account. I've already done that, as you can see that. Now the interface is quite simple. We have the chat interface right here. So specifically you will ask any kind of question. So you can even attach your own images, PDF files as well. You can even do web search. You can generate images. You can generate videos as well. And then for coding, you can also build out applications and websites. So let's suppose you are directly chatting with one model. So if you do this, you will see all the AI models will be there. Gemini, GLM, Qwen, Claude. You also have GPT, Minimax. So from this list, you can select any model of your choice right here. Minimax, Qwen, we have GPT. So let's suppose I select any kind of model from here. I select the Qwen 3 model. After that, I simply write this prompt here. So now what this will do, it will actually build out a complete application for you. All the source code files will be generated and the live preview will be shown right here. You also have the download button for downloading the source code files as well. So now all the files will be one by one generated. You will see that it's a unique, insane website. Nobody is talking about this. Allows you to use all the AI models for completely free. No need to pay any kind of subscription. So it's completely free, 100% free. So it's a working trick in 2026 as well. This website was released around 2024 at the starting. You can see it's actually building out a React application using the latest version. It's also using Tailwind CSS as well. As you can see right here, Wheat development engine it is using. So once it completes, it will actually show you the live preview. It will automatically build out the application. You can even share this application. It will give you a unique link. It will deploy the application. So similarly, the next tab, let me show you. You can even generate videos, images as well. You click on new chat. So let's suppose I want to this time generate images. You click on generate images, and right here you can select models. All the premium AI models are there for image, Flux. We have Qwen image, Cdrum. You will see Van 2.5, GPT image. So from here you can select any model. So let's suppose I say the prompt here. So now it will compare these two models right here. You will see that it will generate the image for you. So there is no restriction. You can generate unlimited images right here. So in the next tab, as you can see, it generated a professional looking coding application image to PDF. And if I show you the live preview, it also build out the application. You can download the overall project as a zip file as well. If you click the download button, you will see your code has been successfully downloaded as a zip file. You can even share this application, open this application in a new tab. This is your image to PDF converter. Website is ready in just less than 2 minutes. And same thing it will do for image as well. So you will see that it generated this image for you. And you will see two guys coding on laptop in mountains in the background. So we selected this model. You will see Van 2.7 Image Pro. Same thing we can do for videos as well. The next tab I can simply show you. So this time we will generate a video. So you simply click on generate videos right here, and right here you simply type the prompt. So I simply written the prompt right here. You will see that now the video will be generating. So for video generation, it takes some more time. So because video is somewhat difficult to produce, so that's why you just need to wait. Once it finishes, you will see your video created and you can download the video. And you see the image doesn't have any kind of watermark. You click the download button to download your image directly. You also have the ability to, you will see a professional looking image has been successfully generated. You will see it has been successfully downloaded. You also have the ability to edit this image. You click the edit button, just automatically the image will be selected, and then you simply provide how to edit this image. So this is an overall AI website, Arena AI. Definitely go to this. Simply log in with your Google account. If you haven't tried this, it has all the AI models, premium AI models for coding, image generation, video generation. I've shown you all the examples. For video generation, it takes some more time, so you just need to wait right here, because many people are using this website at the same time, so that's why sometimes it can take a longer period of time as well. But the thing is that it's completely free, unlimited. I am not using any kind of subscription right here. As you can see, they also maintain a leaderboard section where they actually list out all the models. So it's a research-based website where they actually collect the data from people, simply allowing access to unlimited models so that they can actually see which model is best. So it's actually a research based of website. You will see number one model is Claude Opus. Then we have News Spark from Meta. So they simply maintain this list and they update this every day as more people use this website. So we have this one is for chatting, this one is for coding. For different categories, they maintain different list, different leaderboard sections. So you can just see right here. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment on this video if this trick worked for you.